Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And for this video, we are gonna be seeing what's popping downtown during rush hour. A little bit of a flip. We're not going downtown at night. This time we're going when there is light outside, man. So if you guys enjoy the daytime POVs, drop a like in the video. If you guys enjoy the nighttime POVs, also drop a like in the video. Let me know down in the comment section, what type of vibe do you prefer? Let's go ahead and get a cold start and get on the way. Oh man, I am definitely gonna go ahead and reverse park this when I come back because whew, I am tired of feeling like an old man getting my own car. Whew, all right. Beautiful day outside. 3, 2, 1. Battery, so we're good to go under that department. Man, the weather was messing with a lot of stuff recently, I'm telling you that right now. It really was. Ugh! I took the 2-valve out last night and like the DA was flipped. Oh man. Whew. Get a whip of that E85. We'll get this car detailed in a couple days. But man, I took this car out last night. The DA was plus 1200 as opposed to negative 1200, and there is a massive difference when it comes to boosted cars and DA, especially when you start getting the 70 plus degrees outside, because it's starting to get 70 plus degrees at night, which I do like, but obviously it is going to be messing with the times. I do need to go ahead and replace the O2 sensors on this thing because I want my wideband operational before I go down to Dallas. And hopefully I should be getting the hood on this week or early next week, depending on how quickly these fellas can respond back. I'm trying to get shit done in a timely manner because I do not want to be rushed, and obviously I need a hood on that car before I go anywhere long, because, or I should say, before I go anywhere far and drive the car for long, because I don't like driving with no hood. Like I said, as cool as it sounds with no hood, cool as it looks with no hood, I ain't really trying to be doing all that. We are on our way to the gas station. I got like 60 to eat. This car actually sounds pretty good. This car actually does get pretty decent gas mileage. I haven't gotten gas in this car in a while. Actually, it's been like well over maybe like 5 days since I've... Whoa, what the hell is he doing? He just popped that U-turn, holy shit. But like I was saying, I haven't gotten gas in this car in a very, very long time. Wonder how it's gonna be downtown though. I'm probably gonna get downtown and be like, yeah, I want to go home within like 5 minutes. Watch. Turn the fun mode on though. Ooh, that guy was about to cut my lane. No sir. Better watch what you're doing. Alright, we're pulling second home for real. Looks packed too. Yep, there's hella cars here. But yet again, it is rush hour. All right, let's go ahead and get gas. Whew. And we'll be on our way.
A few moments later.
All right, we just got gas. Luckily, E85 is going down too. Like, it's going back to like 250. Cause it was at like 270, 280 like last week, but it's going back down, which is nice. Definitely happy about that. Watch it's gonna go back up to like like $3 like it did last year during Texas 2K. That'd be something else, cause I'm telling you, they did that shit on purpose. They was like, well, if you're gonna be out, you know, running it, we gonna charge you for real. Oh, green light, hell yeah. When the weather is nice, man. 82 out, not 40, 50. This is what Texas is all about. traffic is no joke. Yeah, that was epic. Drop a like in the video for that. I was about to say it's not that bad, but shit, I don't know. Got Houston's finest patrolling. Oh, let me get out this bus lane. You know what the funny thing is, when I first moved down to Houston, I always drove in the bus lane. It never really put like 2 and 2 together for me. But I mean, I see people doing it as well. Maybe they're not from Houston. I don't know. Ooh, the Mach-E. I've been seeing the Mach-E a lot recently as well, man. Apparently it's a pretty good Mustang. Another police officer. I feel like there's more cops in Houston than there is downtown Chicago, and that's saying a lot. I really do think that, because and that's the K9 unit too. But I will say this, downtown Chicago, there's way more K9 units than in Houston. Maybe it's because of the heat, I don't know, the dogs can't handle the heat. Before I get comments, why are you not doing hard pulls in this? I know that shit gonna happen, bro. I know it's gonna happen. Man, dude, I couldn't tell you the last time I went downtown Houston during the day. turn here. Colorado, all right. That person either loves it here or absolutely hates it, one or the other. It's like it's too hot or they miss more of the scenery. Whew. Downtown Houston is nice though, but I think I do like, believe it or not, I think I just like the look of downtown Chicago more as opposed to downtown Houston, but I don't like being in Chicago, if that makes any sense. Like if we could, like if I literally could just, I don't know, take the city of downtown and just drop it in Houston, then I'd be like, hell yeah, you know what I'm saying? But like, I don't like being downtown Chicago. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just the vibe. It's the weather though, dude. It's the weather and the people. That's what it is. Ain't nothing wrong with Chicago people, but I just feel like Houston people are nicer for the most part. This is a down south thing. And just the weather does make up for it, man. Because when that weather is unforgiving in Chicago, man, it's trash, dog. Going on up here? Oh, I know what's going on up here. If only Houston had like a downtown whacker, some shit like that. Actually, I'm thinking about it right now. Hell nah, it's kind of a good thing Houston don't got a downtown whacker. That'd be crazy, man. Dude, imagine like ripping this thing down downtown whacker. Now that would be badass. But man, we tear that motherfucker up if Houston had a downtown whacker, man. People think takeovers are bad now. Yeah. People have no idea. If you're not from Chicago, you don't know the downtown whacker. Yeah, you have no idea. People getting in wrecks, like, treat that shit like a drag strip, dog. He got Corbels in that Jeep. Fixbacks too. I wanted one of those for a while. I feel like everybody from like Chicago wanted a Jeep. They're just so practical. Whew. can't park my shit in public parking though. They got foot cops. Harris County right here. Got a sheriff right here. Whew. Nice little peaceful POV, man. You know, we went and tore up the highway and then cruised downtown Houston. All right, we are gonna go ahead and head out because there is really nothing much more we can do. It is rush hour and I want to go ahead and beat the heat of rush hour going back home out of the city. Because if I don't do that, a 20-minute commute is gonna take an hour. We ain't got time for that shit, so. Up with you guys when we get back closer to the house, because going away from the city there's always hella cops. So yeah, I'm gonna catch up with you guys when we get, oh, we got a couple backfires when I get back.
A few moments later.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed the highway as well as the city POV drive. If you guys did, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. I just finished the break-in miles on the 99, so I will most likely get a hard pulls video out for you guys very, very soon, now that I can actually go watt, you know, third, fourth gear and ring it out all of fourth. I'm pretty curious to see how it's going to feel leaving at 60 miles an hour. I've already done some draggy hits with it leaving at like 55, 56, 57, but with my current setup, it is a massive difference leaving at 60, 61 as opposed to like 57, 58. So definitely gonna go ahead and see how the car feels. If you guys enjoy, like I said, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.